Every day we're aging, like every day, because our cells are being damaged, and they're being damaged in many cases by things that are being thrown at us and by our food and all kinds of environmental toxins. So Nano Soma repairs DNA. This is anti-aging, and the reason it's anti-aging is because it repairs our DNA. It increases life length and quality, it reduces discomfort from inflammation, and it improves immunity. It also clears DNA damage. So what causes damage to our DNA? Well, we have environmental toxins, as I mentioned, our fruits and vegetables, things that we're consuming, and many other ways of things that are being thrown at us are affecting our DNA. Emotional trauma also damages our DNA. You might notice that a lot of people that are under a lot of stress and emotional stress and in bad relationships, they start aging. Well, it affects their DNA repair. Viral infections and many other stressors. It improves vitamin D3 utilization. It increases vitamin C. Applied topically, it rejuvenates the skin. And you can also use it on your pets. So repair your DNA with DNARepairTCP.com, or click the link in the description below.
No matter where you're from, all around the world.